Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing a hydrating hair mask designed to restore moisture, repair damage, and fight frizz. So if you struggle with dry, brittle hair, this might be exactly what you need. Dry, frizzy hair can be frustrating, especially with heat styling, coloring. This deep conditioning treatment is infused with argan oil, coconut oil, biotin, and keratin, all known for restoring and strengthening hair. The jar feels sturdy, and the formula has a thick, creamy texture that smells amazing, like a blend of argan oil and tropical coconut. My wife applied a generous amount to her damp hair, spreading it thoroughly through her hair, ensuring that it was covered. Now, it claims in 7 minutes that you will have visible results. Now, it does make a difference in this amount of time, but my wife really prefers to leave it in for multiple hours. She's even slept with it overnight and washed it out in the morning. Please note that for really fine hair, this mask might be a little too heavy. It works best when left on for more than 10 minutes. And as I stated earlier, my wife prefers to leave it in for multiple hours. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a hydrating, strengthening, and frizz-fighting hair treatment, this deep conditioning mask is a great option. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this hair mask, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful reviews.